that's why I was the first one to sign. As to the allegations that I was the one who spearheaded the movement for the fourth complaint, katulad sa sinabi ng Pangulo, I think people give me too much credit. I was given the opportunity to sign, and I did sign, but I did not spearhead any movement, or I did not try to convince anyone to sign. I think they did that on their own volition. I did ask what their opinions were and if they were going to sign or not, but that's about as far as that's about as far to the extent as to my involvement in collecting the signatures.
Overwhelming yung numbers po, sir. More than the required numbers.
Yes, well, the required was 1/3. Umabot ng 215. As of today, I heard nasa 245 na tayo. May mga humabol. Well, they signified their intention, yung mga wala sa bansa,